Wahala don't stop for Ikenne for Ogun State. The traditional people they say they won't start Oro based on what they want to do to stop the protests. Now the youth for Ikenne Ogun State, and then come out say make nobody do Oro. Say they don't want Oro. So all the youth they para now for Ikenne Ogun State. They don't chase all the traditional people away. They say they don't want Oro. Say no Oro this time around.
Police for inside Lekki.
Let us own this government. Those who want to protest can protest, but let us be there eating. Am I right?
Yeah.
And I'm telling the CP today, we organize ourselves because you gave us a chance to do so. And I'm appealing to you, let us do that also today. And at the end of the day, all of us will be happy.
This is Port Harcourt, River State.
The Nigerian government. They have said it. They are not here to meet Mr. Governor. They are here as a symbolism. The fact that this is the seat of government. They are here to drive home the point, and they are looking forward to a situation where government at the center will indeed listen and hearken to the plight of the ordinary Nigerian who is in the street. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Andy, man of on this on a rainy day in Port Harcourt in River State. Thank you so much, Andy. We appreciate it.
Hey. Kuna wani irin na aibukun nan ni ma suna kawo amma nan kamar
computer sao?
Laptop thì.
Laptop cả nữa không?
We'll start today. Tomorrow. That man already for this water, now you understand sacrifice. Yes.
This is live from Abuja. From the Eagle Square, people are moving towards the Eagle Square now to make their demand from the federal government.
From one of their leaders, that they were going to abide by the court ruling and remain in one place. But they seem to have changed course now. But as they change course and head to the Eagle Square, are you seeing them being accompanied by security operatives such that any form of unrest can be forestalled as they move?
Yes, 100%. Security agencies are following them. All the security agencies are following them. They're not stopping them at this time. That one of the protesters with me. Well, earlier this morning, we just had a couple of people there in front of the MP and ambulance unit. But right now, there's a surge of people. What's going on right now? First of all, I want to thank most of the protesters for coming out. So far, so good. It has been peaceful. Despite the intimidations we've been receiving some days ago, people have decided to come out and make their voices heard. I mean, we can all see what's happening in the country. I mean, everybody's hungry. The policies of the government is just anti-people. People are not enjoying life. Everything is just unbearable. Honestly, I mean, the other day, the first lady was asking people to go back to their backyard and do some farming. I mean, even we have a lot of states that were doing, that were into agriculture and all of that. Now they can't even go to farm. They can't even farm in their own backyard because of these security issues. I mean, these are just some of the things we are asking the government to address. The situation in the country is just unbearable, and the policies are becoming anti-people policies. Now, are the security agencies stopping people from going to the Eagle Square? So far, so good. I must give a big shout out to the police and the military guys. They've been very supportive. So far, the protest has been peaceful. They've been very cooperative, and I must give a big shout out to them. And even the press guys around covering the whole protest. So far, so good. It's been peaceful. Thank you very much. All right, guys. No. Thank you very much. All right, guys. There you have it. Those are the protesters. Of course, right now they're making their way to the Eagle Square. Okay, so guys, I have a little update. Now, my cameraman can come this way. The protesters, it appears, are not allowed to go to the Eagle Square. As you can see, there's a lot of tear gas there, guys. So right now, as we speak, they are not allowed to go to the Eagle Square. You can see the tear gas there. They've stopped them at the National Assembly junction. They're not allowing them to go further. We are reform the center. So what is
what is present here should be representative of the wealth that we have in store in the Niger Delta. So, but what is currently going on is not representative of that. Go to the communities. You have these amenities. There is no power outside majority of the local government, outside River State. Yet we say we are the center, we have oil, we have all work, we fund the national budget, but we cannot be bold enough to say we have amenities to actually represent the fact that we are the treasure base of the nation. So what we're talking about is the renegotiation of this structure we call Nigeria.
Thank you so much, Gogo. And so, Rotus, that's Gogo Wellington for you. You may have put it in perspective the way you want it, but like I told you earlier on, when we were here in the first running, there was no crowd here, but here we are, still in front of the government house. The crowd has a mass here, and they are demanding for one thing, that can this action.
Let us own this government. Those who want to protest can protest, but let us be there eating. Am I right?
Drink Gary now. 1,000 will not take you of drinking Gary. Where we say before 100 naira you will drink Gary and do what you want to do. So now we are coming to make him to know that things are very hard with us. Let him consider us.
Thank you. So we're also going to be talking to one of the protesters who would also.
Things are getting out of hand, Nakasa. Things are getting out of hand, Nakasa. Then Allah, we need 40 here, then Allah. Allah, we need 40 here. We need 40 here, we need 40 here. Mopo soldier, please, attention, please. Mopo soldiers, attention please. They are burning all the secretariat down. They are burning it 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 down. Attention, attention. Attention please.
Let us own this government. Those who want to protest can protest, but let us be there eating. Am I right?
To borrow. They borrow and they steal and they hit our money and they put us in poverty. They put us in penury. We cannot take this anymore.
One of the biggest fear of this protest was violence, and we can see police try to support. What do you think?
Go back to the history of protests in this country. Instances where we had violence, where instances where they are being propelled by the government. The government is the #1 criminals. The government are the ones that propelled violence. During NSAS, Lagos State government had to organize BLT buses for thugs. BLT buses for thugs. There are evidences. We are not law-breaking people.
Drink Gary now. 1,000 will not take you of drinking Gary. Where we say before 100 naira you will drink Gary and do what you want to do. So now we are coming to make him to know that things are very hard with us. Let him consider us.
Thank you. So well.
Police, they are already shooting tear gas. See police, tear gas, Federal Secretariat, Abuja. Police, they are shooting tear gas already. I'm not seeing any protester, but they are already shooting tear gas. Federal Secretariat, Abuja, right now. Reporting live from Abuja, Federal Secretariat. No protesters yet, but the police, they are already shooting tear gas everywhere.
They don't kill our pikin. The police, they are handless. They don't know if people chop. They don't know if people chop for house. They don't kill our pikin because she don't protest. They don't know if people chop. They don't kill person. Now my pikin don't die now. How you going to see person hold people for Harry? They shoot and take gas. Which can police now? How much is their salary? When they criminal women, they don't collect their money for God's sake. They even have a job. They're working for the government. People protest. They don't even have a job. When they create a new government, they don't want to enjoy it. Somebody on the new government be the shooter.
They say they have killed somebody now. They shoot person. They say they don't keep person now.
We have to arrange, we have to organize.
Igbo, ị alụ unu n'ụlọ ụna na mmadụ na-alụ ya. Ị alụ filling station lụọ hotel na ndị na-alụ eburu isi n'eli. Onye si na ọ mmekọrọ n'iru ya ma na-azụ onye. Onye si na akwụ ga ya achara achude na ebekọrọ na nke ya.
Ana m ayụ unu biko bụ ọgụ ebe ihe nne cherele mmadụ echenele m ajọ iwe. Onye cherele anyị ajọ iwe atọkwu ya n'obu. Onye bụla iwe jebe ajọ ije nya zuo ọdachi n'ezi. Egwu m sị na anyị adịka echi n'echi a na-agụrụ agụ. Egwu na anyị achake ka anyanwụ anyị adakọrọ ka anyanwụ. Anyị acha ka akwụ ma anyị adakọrọ ka akwụ. Anyị azụ ka abịa ma anyị anakọrọ ka abịa. Anyị eru ka mmiri ma anyị atakọrọ ka mmiri. Anyị enwulu ka ọkụ ma anyị anyụkọrọ ka ọkụ.
Yes, I want unification. Wait, officer, wait. Officer, wait. Hey, wait. Officer, hey. Asamashi. Akasha mutin da Kaduna. Da su kashe ga Kaduna.
Police don't they run. See police they run. Police they run. No be smart thing for Barabao. See more police, all of them don't they run. They don't turn back. They don't feel control the situation. The situation is out of hand now. No be smart thing for here now again. Maraba don't turn to another thing. No be smart thing they go on here. They don't just have mercy.
I think say mad people never come outside. I'm not the protesters. I'm not the workers come outside.
So see police. Police cannot even do anything. Cannot police them. Police don't take style. They move. They go. No be smart thing, no. They won't go pursue them before now. No option again. No option again. The police have to resist for the situation. This is peaceful protest, but they have turned it to another thing entirely.
Let us own this government. Those who want to protest can protest, but let us be there eating. Am I right?
Right now, there is a show of force from the men of the armed forces, as you can see. They are shooting at the protesters. They are throwing all kinds of tear gas at them. Right now, I'm in the cover of my house. I'm sure the smell of the tear gas will soon take over my house. I will have to run for cover soon. They are shooting at the protesters, and this crowd, as you can see, is not armed. They are not even holding sticks, only leaves. And all manner of stuff have been shot at them. Just had a massive explosion right now. We don't know what that is.
Sorry, sir. Because you are talking about not having our rights.
When leaders listen to ideas, right? So governance, good governance, they should be able to listen to us.
What are your demands?
I just want the economy to be stable. People are hungry, people are dying, a lot of things are going wrong. Like so many things is not just working out. You understand? We need stability, we need lights, we need food, we need the price of things to just come down. You understand? People are dying every day. Do you understand? People are dying. You can see everybody's scared of coming out. I'm the only person that had to. I'm surprised I'm the only woman here. You understand? We're not coming to fight. We're just coming to beg for them to please. They should just do something. Why they deploying all these police officers for just a simple, peaceful protest? Meanwhile, Boko Harams are out there in the bushes killing people, and they're not deploying this kind of military. Look at everywhere. For what? For what? This is so wrong.
Fight
bad government, we are hungry.
End bad governance. End bad governance. End bad governance. Kill you. It's still high in the country. Cost of fuel is still high. Cost of living is too much. The cost of living is too much. You tell us to enjoy, but you are enjoying. You want us to suffer for you, but you are enjoying. You not show solidarity with us. You not show solidarity with us. We want you to cause the cost of governance. We want you to put money into the economy for this to work. Enough is enough. Everything is too much. People cannot go to their farm in the north and in the middle belt. And that's where our food come from.
They must attend medical checkup in Nigeria. They have the right to invite their doctor from any part of the world within their power. We don't care. So that they can build your hospital standard there. A lot of them build the hospital outside. A lot of them, they claim it outside there. We have been developing other countries. It is time that they will assist us to develop our own country. Enough is enough. The game is over.
Kenya is a nice country. We're all here life. Let's do the right thing. We're hungry. Let's do the right thing. They're hungry. People are dying. What you want here is 8,000 naira. What you want here is we're hungry. We're tired. End them! End them! You don't see what we do. End bad government! End bad government! End them! Everything is expensive. End them! End them! Nigeria. Hey, work no day, money no day, everything is hard. See common garina, 1 cup of garina is 200 naira. See, I bet make na help us for this Nigeria. Yeah, we just did it. Mama, just a video me see the video. See, give me 200. Baba, you go I bet help us. Jagabam. Jagabam help us make everything, especially fuel. As the them we have for 95 well. Fuel, our fuel 2 cars. To go work now na wahala. If you go work now to pay money, na wahala. We get hand to it. I bet make na help us.